Hi guys.
Hey guys, welcome to our cooking channel. If you don't know, we already have one channel. It's called TNG Live, and we decided to go ahead and branch out and make a cooking channel just for you guys. We have some awesome recipes coming up. My husband is an amazing cook, so he does his own special recipes that he creates in his head, which I can't do, but he can. So he's gonna do that. He's gonna put some awesome recipes for you guys. So make sure to subscribe and check this channel out and give it a thumbs up for this video. Today we're gonna show you how he does easy deviled eggs. I know there's a bunch of recipes out there on the internet, but
Mine is the best.
yeah, so he's gonna show you how he does them. You can try it out and let us know how you like it.
Alright, let's get started. So first of all, we just need to be peeling these eggs. I got most of them peeled already. I just got a couple more.
So today he's making, we're not making a lot, but we're just making 6 eggs today. So this is gonna be our recipe, 6 eggs. So first thing you do is you hard boil your eggs for about 10 minutes or so, and then you cool them down with ice and cold water, and then you're just gonna peel them, and we'll show you what's next. Alright, these are going to be the ingredients that he's going to be using today in today's recipe. We're going to have some cayenne pepper powder. If you don't like spicy, probably wouldn't suggest putting this, but if you do, you can just put how much you want. Then ground black pepper, we have salt, we have some fresh pickle halves, and these are just fresh dill pickles. These are just fresh dill pickles. We have yellow mustard, just plain mustard. We have mayo, and we have paprika.
Okay, so first we're gonna start by putting about 2.5 spoons.
About 2.5 to 3 tablespoons of mayo.
And this is a half a teaspoon of mustard. You just throw it in there. About the same of paprika. About a half a teaspoon. Black pepper, half of teaspoon. Cayenne. It depends if you guys want to put the whole entire half, if you like spicy food. If not, then you could do half of the half. Salt, you could just do as you need it. Once you have these together, you cut your eggs in half. Like this. Open it, push the bottom, pop the little yolk and throw it in there. And do the same with all others. Once you have that, all the yolks inside, you could get yourself a pickle. It depends how much you like. I usually just put like a piece, just a little piece. And then you want to cut it down nice and fine. Now next, with the spoon that you had from the mayo, just start pushing everything down, smashing it.
You want to mix all the ingredients in so everything gets incorporated together.
All the flavors come. I usually don't put that much salt because the pickles already have salt and they give it a little more salty taste. So if you put too much salt, it might be really salty. Okay, so usually for these you get like a special bag, like filling bag. I usually just get a Ziploc and then kind of open it all like this. Get a tablespoon, throw it in there. Just throw all of it inside. Easier, probably cheaper. Close the bag. Make sure you get the air all the way out. Careful so it doesn't splash on you. And you work everything to one side at the bottom. You can get your knife and just cut it. So once you have the Ziploc like this, just grab it from the back and push forward. It works almost the same thing like one of those filling bags. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna push it, but be careful because sometimes these pickles get stuck. And if you push it too much, it's gonna
splatter everywhere.
Everywhere. Just like that. There you go. Just go easy. Fill them up first, all of them, all the way to the top. And if you have some extra, just put some in the top after that. There it is.
That looks perfect. Looks yummy. Nice and easy. This recipe basically took him 5 minutes to make. So easy. I mean, besides the 10 minutes that you boil your eggs, right after that it's just 5 minutes to prepare. And that's it. And you've got some nice breakfast slash snack available to you guys, and it's yummy and delicious.
And stay tuned. There's a lot of recipes coming up.
Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you like this video, and we'll talk to you next time.